Bring us in on this dunk.
So Nike Dunk SB Low collaboration with the Wasted Youth set to drop on the 6th for $110. Upper is constructed of black leather and denim. The insoles read "Don't bother me anymore," as well as "I don't need your support." Uh, Wasted Youth is embroidered on the heels, on the left and right heel tabs, as well as a rose on the medial side. Man, honestly, it's just another all black SB Dunk low to me. I think this mislodged or misplaced paneling is very,
Stupid.
yeah, it does not look good in my opinion. It looks very rock starish. This in a leather jacket would look cool.
It looks like those people that are going like really too hard on the jeans, like patching up holes on the
I'll
jeans.
say that the rose really does set it off. Really, just like that, they have like that toe cap on there now,
It's
and
like leather.
yeah, it doesn't really just sit well with me.
Yeah, I'm gonna try for it for this unboxing video. So I'm doing it for you, the fans. I read a little bit. The guy Verdy from Wasted Youth, he has a few different monikers, a few different companies, if I'm not mistaken. Recently noticed for the Girls Don't Cry 2019 Dunk Low. If you looked at it and you were into shoes 2 years ago, then you would recognize it. I feel like a skater's opinion on this one.
Yeah, you know what? But they're gonna say it's gonna shred. It's gonna look awesome. Yeah, man. If you're a skater and you got an early pair on hand, go ahead and tag us. You shred it.
Yes, shredded. Southside Geo, hit us up. We need them.